What's up, everyone? Welcome back. I'm Mark. Thanks again for being a part of Not Your Father's Capital. Hope you guys all had a great holiday. Christmas season is over as we get into the new year. Very exciting time for crypto, but in this video, I wanted to break down exactly something is happening because now we're seeing a lot of Dogecoin, XRP, and what we see with Solana having a lot of open interest in the market. Now, these are three cryptos that I talk about pretty much every day on my channel. So if you guys all hold these cryptos, best way to let YouTube know, put those symbols down below in the comments box. If you have any feedback, much appreciated. I try to answer every single one of you guys. Let's get down into it. And as always, guys, please subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well. I thank all of my subscribers. We're getting on a very, very steady pace of the channel growing, and it's something very exciting to see, all the hard work and all your guys' comments and feedback as well, okay? But as we approach this market getting really into the new year, I think we're starting to see some steam build up. Now, within that steam, that's where you're going to have a lot of open interest. So this is something where I want to share with you guys. Basically, we're seeing a lot of the altcoins, but more so, like I said, Dogecoin, Solana, XRP, those are three cryptos we talk about a lot on this channel. And that's something where we're seeing the open interest in the Bitcoin dominance is starting to take a little bit of a step back, right? They're taking a back seat to some of the altcoins, like I mentioned. And that's where we're seeing basically the open contracts for Bitcoin over the past month, $10.16 billion, okay? Now, what we've seen with Ethereum, we saw that at $8.1 billion. And that implies that Bitcoin had a 42% dominance back in November of 27, okay? So just basically in 1 month time, almost 30 days ago, this is where you're seeing essentially that Bitcoin's open interest dominated even further, heighting almost to 44% at $11.43 trillion. So we're talking about basically a gain of roughly $1.3 billion in open interest for Bitcoin. Okay, but now what we're seeing is this trend is starting to shift. Now, within this shift, this is where you're seeing it dropping suddenly to 39%, down from 44%. And that's where we're down to $12.22 billion in open interest contracts. Now, what does this mean for us as investors of Solana, of XRP, and even for the sake of this video, we're going to talk Dogecoin, okay? This is where we're seeing the open interest for these cryptos increase. 1.3 billion for Solana, XRP, 561 million, and Dogecoin, $428.5 million, okay? So this is where you're seeing basically the altcoins completely absorbing the Bitcoin and Ethereum basically decrease, and this is where they have a 66% dominance, okay? So altcoins are roughly 66 versus 22 for Bitcoin and 12% for Ethereum, okay? That's crazy stuff, guys, because now we're seeing altcoins are basically dominating the market. And I think if you look at Solana's chart, you can see that happening basically with what we have seen simply with the metrics that we're seeing on the chart is something that's just astonishing. Very much outperforming. They're a little bit hot right now. So, you know, Solana having a little bit of a pullback does not surprise me. But they've been, like I said, guys, I tell you guys a lot, the hottest crypto, I think, in 2023. You know, Bitcoin having a 2.5x, that's something that you cannot balk at with the size of Bitcoin. But I think Solana in its own right maybe takes the cake as we look at what was the best performing crypto, just because of what they have experienced with adversity, I think, more so in 2022 and 2023, okay? That's where we're seeing it, guys. We're seeing a lot of open interest now into the altcoins. Like I said, guys, I just named a couple of the bigger open contracts within XRP, Solana, and Dogecoin. Cryptos that we're going to continue to talk about on the channel, but I wanted to get this video out just to illustrate the shift we're seeing away from Bitcoin, okay? And Bitcoin continues to go up in price, and the altcoins continue to follow. So that's very fascinating when we put it all together, and it's really setting up for a very hot bull cycle. I think that's pretty much the writing on the wall. Nobody has a crystal ball, guys, as always, so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But I want to thank you guys for being part of the team here, part of the channel. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember to subscribe down below on your way out, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.